So let's evaluate now the integral from 3 to infinity, right? I'm starting it at 3. I can start at 10. Anything above 3 is fine. Doesn't matter. What's important for me is the behavior of this function at infinity. That's what it's important for me, because that's going to determine whether it's convergent or divergent. Okay, so my function is 1 over x ln x dx. And if you remember, okay, well, you have to remember for your test, limit t approaches infinity. You have to write this integral from 3 to t 1 over x ln x dx. So here's a good practice for Wednesday's test. How do we solve this integral?
We can do u equals ln x.
Very nice. So u is equal to the ln of x, which means that du is 1 over x times dx. And so we have limit t approaches infinity, the integral of, so what do we have? 1 over ln x, so 1 over u. Okay, times dx over x, which is actually du. Okay, from 3 to t. Are you guys okay with this?
Sir,
Yeah.
I have a question. And like this way, we have to change the bounds.
Ah, very good. I was waiting for a question. Who said that?
Marvin.
Very nice. Okay, so very good. So you notice that I was waiting a bit before continuing. Very good. I cannot put 3 to t. Okay, it's not x anymore. It's u. So my bounds need to change. Okay, that's very, very nice, Marvin. Okay, so how do I change the bounds? So if u equals ln x, so that means that if x is 3, u will be, well, ln of 3. And then if x is t, then u is ln of t. Perfect. Okay, so my bounds here need to be from ln 3 to ln t.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
When you write like limit t approaches infinity, do you have to write like infinity like from the left?
You can only approach infinity from the left. You can never approach infinity from the right.
Okay, so we never need to specify it?
No, no. You can't be more than infinity and come, right? You can't. It's obviously from the left. Okay? So you don't need to write it. Okay, so equals limit t approaches infinity. And now this integral is very simple. It's just ln of u. Okay, absolute value of u, but anyways, everything's positive, no problem there. Evaluated from ln 3 to ln t. And that is, if I plug in ln t here, so it's limit as t approaches infinity of ln of t minus ln of 3. Okay, and that's it. If you plug in infinity here, you get ln of infinity is infinity, ln of infinity is infinity, so all this is infinity. And so my series diverges. Okay, so my integral diverges, which means that my series diverges. Okay, so this diverges. And therefore, yeah.
So if it gives us if it were to give us a number instead of infinity, that would mean it converges, right?
Exactly. It means that the series would converge. Exactly. So diverges as well. Okay, and specify the test that you used. So by the integral test.